Hello, gardeners. Welcome to my back porch. And I moved one of my beds from in my backyard to my back porch. When I lived in my condominium for 10 years, I used to have some of the older videos, you've probably seen it. I had a raised bed on my back porch with little pots. And last year I just had pots, but I miss having this bed up here. And as you can see, my porch is huge. I don't even use half my porch. So I'm definitely bringing it back. So I was just putting it together. I had put down the weed barrier first because this is kind of like, it's concrete, but there's certain spots and I didn't want like a root to get in there. And the next thing you know, my porch has a garden growing out of it. So I put down the weed barrier first and then my cardboard. I think I'm going to put down another weed barrier just to be on the safe side. And then the dirt that was in here, I got to go down to my porch, my backyard, and bring it up here. But it's not going to be enough. So I got some of this back to the Root Organic Potting Mix. I love this brand. I'm going to do a short on it, explaining what it does. But I'm mixing this potting mix in with the dirt that I had from last season in here, as well as some of my compost, and then also leaves from my tree. I think there's a couple videos on where I don't rake up my leaves during the um, winter season. I just put them in piles around the yard and I let the bees stay in them. Bees do hibernate in cluster squirrels, and around April when they're done, and then I can know I can go use them. And some I might crumble up and put all around my garden and use it in my mulch to help with the brown matter when you're making compost. I put in there and it works out great. So this is a project we're going to be doing next, and I'm going to make a kitchen um, garden. Some of the things like I use every day my different herbs that grow well together. No mint. Mint goes crazy. Mints are staying in the pot. Um, Radishes, and if you're new to gardening, that is something great that you might want to try, because radishes only take 30 days. Turnips take uh, 25 to 30 days. Turnips take about 30 days, and there's something I use in my cooking every day. So I'll definitely these will be in um, my bed. So let's get a little closer look. Oh, and when you lay the cardboard down, try to get some that's not treated or has any wax on it, just to be on the safe side. Chemicals, I tell you. And then overlap it. And then, like I said, I'm going to put another weed barrier on it before I put my dirt in. All right. Oh, here's another company, Black Cow. I like them too. A friend of mine gave me her extra. That was a couple years ago. I haven't gotten into it, but I might get into it just to put in here. And those are milk carts. Those are, since they're food grade, you can plant in them. I had saved them for my friend. I only use the milk for my cats and stray cats, and I give them milk. Or sometimes when I make bread. So it takes me forever to get that amount of milk carts. But it turned out she didn't need any, so they're just sitting there. I'm probably going to take them to the recycle bin. I have enough pots to put my garden in, and I'm trying to get more ceramic, trying to stay away from plastic, and it's hard. These I got from Dollar Tree, the stackables. They still have them, and they have them even more so because they were so popular, and it used to be they'll go really fast. But I'm going to take my ever-bearing strawberries and put them in there and stack it up. So that's going to be another project to look forward to. They're just now beginning to bloom. Now I know where they are. Sometimes I get confused where I put them at in my yard. And that's it. More plastic. Oh. This was a mint. This was peppermint. And I pulled it up from its root, turned it upside down because I want the seeds. So hopefully they'll fall in there. Hopefully this will be, it's actually a spearmint. So spearmint, mint. Spearmint. So that's another project we're going to be starting this year. And that's about it. And I was just over here amending this with a little bit of the organic potting matter to the old potting that was already in here, and then I added some liquid fertilizer that I made with when you take bananas and rice and different matters and you blend it and then you make a liquid. It's like a liquid fertilizer just to amend it. I'm going to show you how to start corn from a corn cob. So look for that. It's going to be a short, probably in about 2 or 3 days. Look for that video. And if you're not following me, please follow me. Give this video a like. Share it with your buddies, your garden buddies. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And happy gardening. Happy 2025 garden season. And thanks for visiting. Peace and love. Bye-bye.